Hello, I'm YuXin Kylin and today I'm going to unbox the YuXin Kylin V2 M. So this is a new budget magnetic speed cube from YuXin. I heard that the first version of this set the world record long ago. So because of the round centers, I think this is kind of like a GameCube. It also has tiles, which means that the stickers will not peel off, so I like that part a lot. Okay, let's do a bit more turns. So the turning is actually very good. The magnetic strings feel perfect, and the cube is pretty much tight. Doesn't have a great corner cutting, but whatever. And cut about a piece with a bit of cut. I really like the feeling. The cube is a bit dry right now, but I'll just put a bit of glue and break it in and it should be fine. In fact, I think this even has potential to be my mate. This cube will 100% be my mate if it just had a better corner cutting, but I think this kind of corner cutting can help me to turn more accurate. Let's do some salt. I really love this cube. I might make a full review of this. Because it's flat, it's pretty hard for me to recognize the colors. That's pretty. Why this is happening. Okay, I'm very bad at 3x3 right now. I haven't practiced it for a while. I should average around 17 seconds by. It's really why? Oh. Anyway, thanks for watching this video.